Hi kids, it's Mr. Edwards. We're here for Math Minute 34, so I will walk you through numbers 1 through 5. We'll pause it, take a look at your work, come back, look at 6 through 10, pause it, come back, finish it up, and you will be all set for Math Minute for today. Number 1, Seth buys milk in the cafeteria for 55 cents. He gives the clerk 75 cents. How much change will he receive? Number 2 is 24 plus 48. Number 3, the area of the shape is 12 square units. And so again, we're looking at this inside space. If you were standing on the floor, how many squares are inside that rectangle? Are there 12 squares? Is that true or false? Number 4, 80 minus 48, and number 5, 10 times 2. Please pause your video and come back when you're finished to check your work. And now that you're back, sorry, I forgot to do it. I actually ran out of the room for a second and I forgot to finish it before I started the video. So I will finish it up and then you come back and check your work, and you don't even have to pause it. It'll be 2 seconds. All right, so now for real, Seth should get 20 cents back. And I showed my work over here that I used the cent symbol. You could have also used a dollar sign, or you could have done it using mental math. That was completely your choice. Number 2, you should have gotten 72. Number 3, the area is 12, so that is true. I can do that by counting the squares, and my final number ends up at 12. Or, like I told you yesterday, I can multiply the height of the rectangle, that's this, and the width of the rectangle. So 3 units tall times 4 units wide is 12 units. Either way, I come up with the same answer. 80 minus 48 is 32, and 10 times 2 is 20. If you go down and look, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Number 6, 17 plus something gives you 28. Number 7, what is the abbreviation for cup? Number 8, 45 divided by 5. And number 9, round the number to the nearest 10 for numbers 9 and 10. Number 6, I will just tell you, is a little bit more difficult to figure out. You're missing a number here, and this gets into what we call algebraic expression or algebra, which some of you might have heard of if you have older brothers and sisters. But the easiest way to do this problem is 17 plus something equals 28. So if I want to get this number by itself and figure it out, I just take away that 17. It looks a little weird, but if I take away from that 17 from this side, I get 0. And then I can take away that 17 from this side, and it will tell me what my answer is. It will tell me what goes in here. So 28 take away 17 is 1 and 1. So 11. Now if I do this problem again, I found my missing number by taking away this. And I'm not going to get into the details of that, but 17 plus 11, if I solve that, I can check my work and say, oh yeah, 17 plus 11 is 28. So I know this number is correct. If you don't understand that right now, that's okay. But that's kind of what your brain has to do to solve those particular problems. Number 7, 8, 9, and 10, I'll let you do on your own, and then you can come back and check your work. So number 7, it's a little bit different. The word is so short, you actually just use a capital C to abbreviate cup. Number 8, 45 divided into equal groups of 5 is 9. Again, if you know those multiplication facts, you know that the numbers 9, 5, and 45 work together. I know that 9 times 5 is 45. So I know if I take that 45 and divide it by 5, I'm going to end up with 9. This is why it's so important to know your math facts, because it will make division so much easier. Number 9, you should get 210. And number 10, you should get 220. So I'll give you one last look, and then you're on your way. Thanks, kids. Bye.